A compound sentence is two independent clauses joined together by a coordinating conjunction. Conjunction means joining word. The coordinating conjunctions are the most common conjunctions. The coordinating conjunctions are known by the acronym BANSOY. They're all 2- and 3-letter words: but, and, nor, so, or, yet. Let's make a compound sentence from two simple sentences. The hare got far ahead. He took a nap. Which coordinating conjunction can we use to join these simple sentences? The second action is the result of the first action. It's a consequence. Use so. Most teachers expect a comma before the coordinating conjunction in a compound sentence, but many writers don't do this. You have to ask your ears whether your compound sentence sounds better with a pause. Read your writing out loud. Your ears will notice where pauses are needed. Punctuation matches pauses.